Here's the app for women, TeaOnHim, another kind of safe dating app for women, this time from this developer. Take control of your dating life and start thriving with confidence. Dating today can be confusing, fast-paced, and unpredictable. The app for women is the ultimate guide to modern dating, helping women build confidence, understand men, spot red flags, and create real meaningful connections. Whether you are new to dating, getting back in the game, or just looking to improve your communication skills, this app gives you the tools, dating advice you can trust, learn practical, actionable strategies, spot red flags, detect manipulative behavior, avoid toxic relations, and protect yourself emotionally. Personalized guidance, safe anonymous community, red flag alerts, profile review, safety checklist. So let's take a look. I don't know how is it different from another just original T app, like T. Maybe I don't know what is. Maybe that original app was removed or something. I have no idea why it's actually not in search anymore. Original T app, but yeah, here you can just find it, and then you can just create your account. Just as an example, you can see which questions are there. And you can see $20 per year, no commitment, cancel anytime. And then that's basically what you can have. And yeah, so something like that. And as you can see, there is no free option in here, so that's basically what it is.